a good weekend, man. They're nice new shoes.
Oh, Sam's pants are so wet.
Sam, we gotta go to the shop. Are we all done?
What do you
One
think?
more?
Jack, jump.
Jump.
Jump into there. Do it again. Jump again.
Good job, boys. All right. Yeah, we're dirty.
Are you jumping?
Whoa!
Hip, hip, hooray.
Are we all done?
I don't think so, Mommy.
Nope. You don't see a lot of parents letting their kids do this. Okay. Oh. Are you guys hungry? Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Bye, guys.